Panguva inoyi hazvina kumira zvakanaka patwa VP Kosano Chiwenga is under attack. VP Kosano Chiwenga anozikamwa kuti panguva inoyi is the man who is leading against the constitutional amendments. Panguva inoyi ne Vision 2030. Particularly, unozikamwa VP Kosano Chiwenga is the person who was supposed to succeed the president of Zimbabwe, President Ed Mnangagwa, in this coming years in 2028. Panozikamwa kunzi, according to the gentleman's agreement, President Mnangagwa's term was supposed to end in 2028. Nzanamira mashikobda nyuko panguva inoenda bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva inoenda pa post ye president until 2030. Panguva inoyo anochitaura a report neto pana comrade Cde Ajanga, the same person who issued another report ahead of 31 July nationwide protest. Panguva inoyi uya achipa a warning to VP Kosano Chiwenga pamusoro pema-attacks which are threatening his life. Panguva inoyi anobudanyira achiti, Comrade Cde Ajanga confirms a plot is in motion to kill VP Chiwenga plus serving and retired generals, all so they can ram through this fake Cap 3. They say they must send people to Heroes Acre first and time is running out of them. I will share the full letter when received and posted these pictures. I'm going to Heroes Acre. Actually, there is some architectures panguchende plans arikuonekwa kunzi arikuataka panapa VP Kosano Chiwenga ma-serving generals pamwechete ma-retired generals achiti same applies zvakamboita pama 31 July protest. He issued a letter panguva ino he is threatening that I'm going to release another full letter when he receives it. Developments arikuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi developments arikuonekwa panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF zvina kumira zvakanaka as mapower struggles are simmering. Pinai comment section yedu dzofungira muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, continue to the bell icon.